On today's episode of things that nobody asked for, but for some reason I'm going to do anyway, I pulled off this piece of my radiator, and I'm going to 3D scan it and make a stopper for it so that I can plug up my radiator hoses when I'm doing stuff so that it doesn't leak all over the floor. There probably is stuff to do this, there's hose clamps and all that stuff, but you know what, it's a good excuse to 3D scan stuff. You'll notice that the factory one's black and this is white. It's because 3D scanner does not pick up blacks. And I spray painted it with a chalk to give it a little bit less shine to it so the 3D scanner picks it up better. So let's give it a go. Say hi, Woody. Alright, so to go with the theme of black things don't show up on the scanner. Woody hopefully doesn't. Get him by. So I put it in the center. There's tracking dots. That's kind of how the 3D scanner can keep its bearings as things are going around. The 3D scanner picks it up, gets some good lighting for it, and then you scan it. It's pretty simple in theory, very difficult in practice, and we'll see. We'll find out. So let's get scanning. Alright, so here's the fun part. It says it's too near. Let me try backing up a little bit. Excelente. So we hit go. 3, 2, 1, go. And in theory, you just let this thing go around. Hi, Woody. I can't see my screen when you do that, Woody. But in an ideal world, this is basically as simple as it is. You get this little 3D rendering of all the point clouds and stuff, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So we are going to mesh it. We do not want to fill the holes because then it'll be, well maybe we do want to fill the holes, but I'm going to say no. Ta-da, meshing completed. There's still a couple little issues with it here and there, but for the most part that's what we want. So now we're going to do a new one, and we're going to turn it to the side. We're going to scan it like that. No to finish the holes. And there you go. Got some of the inside, some of the outsides. Doesn't really matter. Alright, step number 2 is you load models into Handy Studio. We pick 2 models. Ta-da. And we click the align button. Hopefully it doesn't need me to do stuff. Hey! No, that seems wrong. Much better. Okay. So we're going to export this as to... Alright, so this is about the point where I'm not good at. So you can see for the most part we got everything working. Don't really need the inside, don't really need a lot of the other stuff. We do kind of want to probably keep the fidelity in this line here. So point blank, I can't just fill this in and print it out. It's just going to be too much detail for the 3D printer. Not quite sure what is the right way to go about this. So I'm just winging it. Who knows? Let's see. Alright, I went ahead and printed what I got. I took some sandpaper just to make it a little bit smoother, but it's really nice that I can just 3D scan something and the sizes all line up, because previously I'd have to measure everything out, and it's just a pain in the butt. You know, diameters of things and spaces between stuff and getting the fidelity. So this fits in pretty well. Very, very, very snug. Just as snug as the stock part that I pulled off. And sizes and everything are appropriate. So I think this should work in general. Just a quick mock-up. I was going to do the little ridge inside here for the factory BMW locking stuff, but I actually kind of don't want this to lock in there. It's never going to be under any pressure by any means, so I think it's just worth leaving it as is. Yeah, again, I just need something to plug it up with. So I think I'm going to try to use some maybe silicone spray to get this in there. The silicone spray should not degrade the PETG at all, but we'll see. Hopefully it works out. Getting it off might be a pain in the butt, but you know, it doesn't really matter. This costs almost nothing for me to print. I'll probably put an STL down below. I'm not really sure why anybody would need this, but you know, why not? So thanks. See you guys next time. Sorry it was just a short video. Bye.